Hey guys, welcome back to this another tutorial video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Chat GPT account in your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser or Chrome. Here we are opening our Chrome. In the search bar, search for the Chat GPT OpenAI, and here tap on the first link. And here you can see the login and sign up option. Since we are creating an account, tap on the sign up option and enter your email address and tap on the continue. And here you have to enter your password and tap on the continue. And here you have to verify your email. So go to your Gmail account and open up your email and verify the email address. As you can see here, the email is finally verified, and here you have to enter your first name, last name, then tap on the continue. And here you have to select your birth date and tap on the continue. And you have to verify your phone number also. And here, after finally verifying your phone number, you will be able to see your ChatGPT profile. And here in the left upper corner there is a menu bar where you can see your sessions, and you can also start a new chat with the persons, and also you can log out of your account. So in this way you can create a account in the ChatGPT in your Android phone. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need tutorial videos on any topic, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching till the end. Hope to see you in the next video.